Good afternoon, everybody. It's Mike with smartoptiontrading.com. It is Thursday, the 21st of March. This is our weekly recap. Yep, our weekly recap because I am off tomorrow and going away from my annual pilgrimage to go watch March Madness and tons of college basketball. So let's talk about this week here. And it was a very slow, low volume week here in general. Uh, you can see we came off the lows on Tuesday. So, not much going on Monday, Tuesday. Yesterday, the Fed decision, big move up. The market liked what they said. It doesn't matter what I think. Market liked it. We gapped up today and we pushed higher. And here we are sitting up here. And you can see very narrow, low volume candle holding up, not giving the gap up back. To me, that's bullish, right? This has to be bullish. Otherwise, the market will be coming back in. It didn't even come in and fill the gap up from this morning. Very, very bullish. New all-time highs here, 524 on the SPY. The oscillators are starting to get slightly overbought, but not a big deal here yet at this point, and nothing to see. The Qs said, hey, let me join the all-time high club. Finally woke up today, did that. The IWM had a very nice push, but didn't clear the range, still weaker. Energy came back up despite crude being weak earlier. And the banks finally hit the all-time high. Big move there. Goldman Sachs, by the way, finally broke out. Chris in the room caught that early. Nice job there. So people catch a lot of things in our room if you're not with us. You take that aside, it was a very quiet day overall. SMH here today, holding up fine, but no power. NVIDIA all over the place, but holding. AMD remains very weak there. SMCI, nice little bounce back candle now that their two offerings are done. ARM pushed a little bit, couldn't go. Micron does what it always does. Micron is an ugly trader after news. It just doesn't trade well and down. For me today, I traded coin a couple times, made nice money on that. Nice move there to a new 52-week high. Microsoft, new all-time high, remains strong. Amazon tried to push with a new 52-week high in today, but not a pretty candle there. Same thing with Google. A lot of these names came in. Meta, you got to get the idea here. A lot of problems there. What else, guys? Help me out here. Boeing, after yesterday's big candle, couldn't hold it. Tesla as well. Yesterday, big candle came back and gave most of that candle back today. And Apple getting kind of shellacked here after we knew last night that the Justice Department was going to file an antitrust case against them. They did, and getting absolutely killed. Now, I will personally say I think this is overdone. It's not often that I agree with Jim Cramer, but Cramer did say, courts are slow. It's going to take years, and I do mean years for this to work its way through the court system. And so I think this is really overdone here on this one. So I'd watch this one to see what it does, but look for a bounce and an entry on this at some point. The other thing today was we traded RedEdit. If you don't know how to trade IPOs, we went over it in the room. We talked it. We went through it live, traded this. I had a nice trade on this one. And overall, it provided nice opportunity through here up until 57.80. And then we talked about that the trade was over in here until it cleared levels. And if you were with us, we walked level by level through here. And you can see overall holding in well. The IPO price is 34, still trading. Oops. Still trading here up in the 50 area, 51. So for everybody with me, tomorrow morning I'll get up, I'll post you guys news, I'll do a video, I'll open the room, and I will probably hang with you guys for about the first 15 minutes or so, and then I'm out. So everybody else, wishing you a great weekend, and no charts this weekend, and I'll catch you guys live in the room on Monday morning. Members, I will do a week ahead video for you guys though.